Hey guys, how's it going? Now, if you're someone who has recently switched to Microsoft Edge, welcome to the party. I also switched to Edge and I've been loving it so far. However, Edge has a lot of new features under its hood that most of you guys would not be aware of. Now, we've already done a tips and tricks video that you can check out from here or from the links down below. But this video is about how to enable sleeping tabs, which is an essential feature in which you can reduce the amount of memory that Microsoft Edge uses. Add to that, there's another feature that I'll show you at the end of this video, which will basically make your Edge browser and the whole experience, to be honest, way too fast. Well, let's get started. Alright, so first let's understand what sleeping tabs as a feature really is. See, if you're someone who multitasks quite a lot, you must have multiple tabs open in your browser. Now the thing is, actively you might be only using about 3, 4 or maybe 5 of those tabs, and you have 7, 8 other tabs just open in the background. Now you might think that they're just in the background and you're not actively using it, but those tabs are still actively using your system resources, taking up your RAM and basically slowing down your system. With sleeping tabs, what Microsoft Edge basically does is that it kind of hibernates those tabs so that they do not use up as many resources as they would normally do. So how do you enable sleeping tabs? Well, to be very frank, it's super easy. Just open Microsoft Edge and click on the 3-dot menu at the top right corner. Now, click Settings. Scroll down and select Settings on the left panel. Under Optimize Performance, toggle the switch for Save Resources. Next, select the time for inactivity. The default is set for 2 hours, but you can choose something as low as 10 minutes. Once done, tap on the little add button to whitelist the sites that you do not want to put to sleep. For instance, if you use the web version of apps like Slack and WhatsApp, you can add them to this list to avoid missing notifications and alerts. And that's it. You have enabled sleeping tabs on your Microsoft Edge browser. Okay, so that was sleeping tabs, but I told you about a bonus feature to increase the overall smoothness and the startup of your Microsoft Edge, right? Well, here's how it goes. Just open the settings and navigate to the same path as talked about earlier, and here you'll find the Start Up Boost option. Just enable this toggle. Alternatively, you can simply type the following thing on your address bar, and all you need to do is toggle the switch for the same. As per numbers, Microsoft says that this improves your startup time of Microsoft Edge from anywhere between 29% to 41%. And this is just crazy numbers. I've personally been using this and honestly it hasn't impacted my system performance in any manner whatsoever, while drastically improved my Microsoft Edge launch speeds and even browsing speeds. So yeah, it's a must-have enabled feature. And well, that was it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to let us know by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more awesome tech content. Till then, this is Varun from Guiding Tech, and I'll see you in the next one.